Hello and welcome to the Innovative Studio. Guys, this is Shakil and today we will learn how to create C or C++ project using Visual Studio 2022. Guys, let's start how to create a C++ project. So here is our Visual Studio ID. We click it, this icon and open it. So guys, when this Visual Studio ID starts, you can see here Get Started option. Get Started option contains clone repository, open a project or solution, and open local folder. And the fourth option is create a new project. So guys, we are going to create a new project. So we will select this option. So guys, when we selected this option, now here comes the project templates. Guys, you can select a project on the base of uh, three options based on languages, based on platforms, and based on project types. So guys, we have to select the C++ project based on the language. So we will select the languages drop down and select the option of C++. So guys, by selecting the C++, it will filter out the options with the C++ projects. So next filter you also can use by selecting here. If you can see here, you can select the windows. When you select the windows, it will further shorten the list of the projects. We can see here there are a number of project templates which are appearing here, which are all are related to the C++. So guys, which type of project we will create? It will be a C++ project and it will be a Windows console application. So this is our required project template. We will select it and we'll click the next button to create the project. So guys, this is the project name. We will type it and we will type that project. So we name it first P and then we will create it by clicking on the create button. So this pop up for the new project and it's showing the target version of the Windows SDK and maximum version and minimum version. So we'll click OK and project will be proceed to create. So guys, it will take few moments and now you can see here on the status bar that the project successfully created. So guys, let's show you the what project solution contains for the C++ project. So guys, it contains references, it contains headers, it contains resource files, it contains packages, it contains property sheets, it contains readme files. Okay, let's see the header files. You can see is compiled headers here. In the resource file, there is nothing, and in the source file, you can see the main CPP. So this is contains the source code of the entry point of the project. Guys, this is the precompiled header, then the WinRT namespace using the SDK, and this is regarding the Windows Foundation namespace. So any of the C++ program will start as the entry point. The main method is the starting entry point and starting the applications method. So guys, let's explain it. The text we have typed here, hello world, as usual, we have typed here, and you can see here this URL is regarding the information of the WinRT projects. So guys, we will run this project, our project created, and now we will run it and see the output. So our project is in building process. The files are being built and the output has been displayed here. You can see this. So guys, this is the whole process to create a Visual Studio project, a C++ project using the Visual Studio, and we have run it, and uh, output has been displayed on the console. So that's all from the today's lesson, and thank you so much. And guys, keep watching my channel, like the video, share the video, and as well as try to subscribe my channel as well. Thank you so much, and bye for the now. And that's all for the today's lesson.